Canva's great, Canva's free, it's amazing. But for me, I like quick, efficient, bada bing, bada boom, done. So if you guys are interested to see how I've been creating my thumbnails to draw you guys in, to attract you guys to my channel, to want you to click on my thumbnail for more, click on my video to get more views and to get more subscribers, go ahead and continue to stay watching. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharia Brooks and I'm back with another video. So in today's video we are talking about how to create a thumbnail from your phone, not using Canva. So I know Canva is one of a lot of YouTube creators' favorite source to make their thumbnails, but I used Canva in the past, and after discovering this app and how to do my thumbnail with the app, I absolutely love it, and it's quick, it's easy, and Canva's great, Canva's free, it's amazing. But for me, I like quick, efficient, bada bing, bada boom, done. So if you guys are interested to see how I've been creating my thumbnails to draw you guys in, to attract you guys to my channel, to want you to click on my thumbnail for more, click on my video to get more views and to get more subscribers, go ahead and continue to stay watching, and please stay watching till the end. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. How I like to get my perfect thumbnail is I don't like to take a million photos. I don't like to take a million photos. I like to just go like this, like, or whatever you do, something to get, you know, whatever emotion you want to bring into that thumbnail. Like, I did my makeup in 20 minutes and this is my actual face after 20 minutes of doing my makeup. So if I'm going to say make a video on that, which I did, and it'll be up on my Instagram as well. So I challenge you guys to go check that out. But anyways, so if I did a video like that, or you know, if I made a video on my 20-minute makeup challenge, how did I do? I would do an expression such as like, or like, with like 20 minutes on there, you know what I mean? You want to channel the emotion to correlate with your title, if that makes sense. So you want your title to make sense with your thumbnail. How I do my pictures is I video record them. So like I'm making a video right now. Say for instance, I got an Amazon haul and I'm unboxing stuff from Amazon. Let's just say I got this from Amazon, but I didn't. Let's just say I got this from Amazon and I didn't, right? So I would hold this and film, record, and go like this, or whatever, you know what I mean? So after I've done my poses and after I've done looking crazy, like, oh my gosh, you know what I mean? Like, whatever I'm doing, I'm recording it. So my camera has good quality. I'm using a Canon G7X. So I don't have to take pictures. Once I'm done, I will stop recording the video, upload it on iMovie, and screenshot it. So I'm gonna try and show you guys how I screenshot my photos on iMovie. If I can. You guys over here. And we're gonna zoom in. We're gonna zoom in real good. It's not conventional how everyone else does it, but I'm not everyone else. Okay, so we are going to choose a picture still, basically, in this video. So if I'm gonna just show you guys for an example, okay? So if you guys can see this right, if you guys can see this right here. So say for instance, I want this, you guys see my mouse? My mouse right here. So if I want this to be my thumbnail, I'm going to go to File. So I'm going to click on Share in iMovie. File, Share, Image. After you click on Image, you are going to title the name of your picture and then save it. And after you save it, you're done. You got your thumbnail for your iMovie, okay? So did we get that? We understand how I save my photos. You're gonna go to iMovie. You're going to select your face on the video recording, okay? On your actual moving picture. It's basically a moving picture, you know, and I get to capture different things, I get to capture different facial expressions, different poses in like real life, you know? Instead of taking a million pictures and filtering through all these different pictures, I just record like I'm doing now, and I'll go like this or whatever I'm doing or whatever, and save it, upload it on iMovie, and then I will go ahead and proceed to save that photo. So once that's complete and we all understand that, I'm gonna go and edit it on my phone. Okay guys, so now that we're in Facetune, we're gonna go to the far back spot and click on defocus. And I'm gonna show you two ways you guys can do this. So you can defocus your background so everything is completely blurred out. That's a way you guys can start by doing your thumbnail if you choose to keep what you have going on in the background current, but you just want to defocus it, go ahead and do that. So now that my background is defocused, I'm going to go ahead and save this photo and move on to the next app called Bazzart. So here we are going to find the template on creating your YouTube thumbnail. So I'm just showing you guys a ton of different templates they have already. They have like for Instagram stories, your posts, different layouts, and so on and so forth, which is pretty cool. So I like that. So we're going to go ahead and hit the plus sign, and we're going to do the start from scratch. So this is by starting from scratch. We clicked on sizes. Now we're going to scroll over until we find the YouTube thumbnail size. So you can find it here as well, but it's a bit more difficult. So we're starting from scratch. We're going to scroll over until we find size. And now we are going to find the YouTube thumbnail size. And that's going to give you the perfect size dimensions you need to create your thumbnail. So once that has been selected, we are going to go to photos and select the picture that we want to edit for our background. So now we have our picture here. Zooming in, we are going to, if you want to keep the blurred background, like I said, you can just play off of that. And for an example, I'm going to show you guys how you can find photos. So you're going to go click on the Photos app, and then you're going to select Web. You're going to click on Photos, and you're going to select Web. So, which is pretty cool, is you can find different pictures off the web actually, like Amazon. You can find really any different photo you want to use in your thumbnail. So I'm typing in Amazon logo just to give you guys an example. If you put PNG at the end, sometimes it'll pop up, sometimes it won't. So I'm going to just type in Amazon, and you guys see I'm going to click on that. Now to get rid of the background, the white background here, we're going to click on Magic. And Magic is going to completely erase the background and just keep the actual logo so it looks more clean and precise. See how I did that, guys? Perfect. Okay, so now that is done, you guys can alter it any kind of way you'd like, however you want for your thumbnail to make sense. So after I do this, I'm just playing around with it just to give you guys an example on what I would do to place it. This is not by any means on what I would do, but I'm just showing you guys an example. So now we're going to go back to photos, and we're going to click on boxes, because typically in thumbnails there's someone holding up a box, or there's a box in the background, and I don't know why beautiful kept popping up, but anyways, we're going to type in boxes, and you can type boxes PNG or box PNG. My phone was super busy for some reason, guys. I don't know why. Follow me on Instagram now. But anyways, okay, so we're going to scroll down, find the box we want to put in our thumbnail, and select that. And since I put in PNG, the background is already erased and I don't have to erase it. So if I wanted to erase those little boxes at the bottom, I can definitely do that. But I'm going to just expand the box. And you guys see how I just placed it here. So we're going to just kind of play with it and see how we would place it. This is, again, not how I would place it. And then what I'm showing you guys now is if you wanted to put the A on top of the box, all you have to do is bring it to the front. You see how I clicked on the front button? Now, if you click on back, it'll go completely behind your picture. You didn't lose your photo. Just click on front and it comes back. So now we have our photo, we have our images, and we're going to just kind of play around with it to see what we want to do. And then I'm going to show you guys how to put your text in here, how to erase the background, the blurred photo in a second. So just hang out for that. Okay, so my photos I just deleted. So we're going to go back to that magic icon and erase the background just like we did with the Amazon photo. So now that you guys see it's completely erased, we can outline the picture so it doesn't look bland like that. We can add different color backgrounds, so on and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and click on the backgrounds, and I'm going to select the color white. You can select any color you'd like, and now we are going to outline my picture. So we're going to click on outline. We are going to select the color, and let's just go ahead and do black for now. You can maximize the size, minimize the size. We're actually going to do pink. I thought I was going to do black, but we're doing pink. We can make it big, we can make it small, and you know, however you prefer. You can do shadows here, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So you can make a double shadow for yourself, or even, you know, the images like the Amazon logo or the box. You can do this for all of that. So now we're going to type, we're actually going to grab this box that I love to use because you can make your text stand out with these boxes. You can make it bigger, smaller, depending on what you decide to do with your text. So I'm just showing you guys that here, how you can customize the size of the box. I'm going to actually color the box black because I noticed with black, it's really easy to recognize, you know, and your text really stands out on black. So we're going to go ahead and type in Amazon haul, and we're going to change the color to white. But before I do that, I'm going to show you guys, you see at the top where it says fonts. If you click on that, you see all the different fonts that you have access to. You can switch it up however you want to do it, which is kind of cool. But I just like the plain and simple text. And at one point I did like the cursive writing, but you can't, it's not cute when no one can read it. So we're going to go ahead and just stick with the basic Amazon haul, the basic font. And then we're going to go ahead and add our photos. So we're going to go click back on photos. And once we click back on photos, then we're going to just add our pictures like we did before and place them wherever you'd like. I'm going to place the box behind myself just so it kind of stands out a little bit more, just to give you guys an example. But like I'm showing you guys now, you can outline the box. You see how I outlined the box and just made it really like stand out and pop? You can definitely outline your photos, your graphics, whatever you decide to put in the picture. You can totally do that as well. So that's what I'm doing here, and I just brought the box behind myself just to show you guys what this app is capable of doing, what you're capable to do when you make your thumbnails. Super cool, super easy. And from there you can save it, or you can continue to add more text. You can even change the color of the outline. The sky is the limit, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it made sense to you guys. Let me know if you want me to emphasize on anything further in the next one, okay? Leave your comments down below. Okay, so you guys get the gist, right? You guys understand how to make your thumbnail and how quick and easy you can make your thumbnail using this app, Bazzart, however you want to call it. But yeah, guys, so I hope you guys, this helped you guys. But that's just an example on how to create your perfect thumbnail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go ahead and give me a big like if you guys enjoyed it. If you guys learned something new, let me know down below. Go ahead and share this video because it'll help others like you find content like this from your girl. And I will see you guys in the next one. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.